What is going on, guys? Fives back at it with another video. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications. I am trying to take you guys on my affiliate marketing journey, and like I said, if you guys are new to the channel, you guys are going to want to follow my journey and hopefully join me with this road that I'm taking. And of course, in my last video I had made my sort of first affiliate commission, if you will. Very happy about that, and I've been able to make a few more commissions since then. But now what I want to talk about in this video is what I've mastered so far and what I feel like I still need to work on. Remember, I don't know everything right now. I'm learning it as we go along, and that is why I am documenting my journey so that you guys can see that you guys can do it too. I'm learning this from scratch, and so I hope to share my knowledge and whatever I'm learning for affiliate marketing and share it with you guys. So with that being said, the topic for today's video is traffic. Okay, this is one thing that I feel like I have got a good grasp on: traffic, being able to drive traffic to your affiliate offers, to be able to get eyes in front of that offers. What are the best ways to get traffic? How do you do it? Free, paid? What's the best way to do it? Let's get into it right now. So with that being said, I'm going to give you guys 5 methods of getting the traffic to your landing page, both free and paid. So really it's going to be 10 methods in total, because I'm going to be giving you guys 5 free and 5 paid methods of getting free traffic. Now, before I get started, I will say paid traffic is better than free traffic, and there's a clear reason for that. You are paying for it, okay? So I want you guys to keep that in mind. But with that being said, can you still make affiliate commissions from free traffic? Absolutely, okay? You absolutely can. So with that being said, we'll get started. Let's start with free traffic, the best ways to get traffic, free ways of doing it. And the number one way is what you guys see in front of you, which is YouTube, okay? YouTube is the best platform, if you will, to get free traffic, and that is because you have so many millions of users utilizing YouTube every single day. And all you have to do really is, you don't even have to do what I'm doing, which is if you make videos about affiliate marketing. You can just take affiliate marketing products that you guys are trying to promote. You can make review videos for them. You don't even have to have your face in front. You can just do a PowerPoint, if you will. A digital product works well here. You can take a digital product that you found through your affiliate offer, through your affiliate network, and you can promote that on YouTube, and it's just free traffic, okay? Video, and the beauty about YouTube is that people can rewatch your videos over and over again, so you can always bank off of that affiliate commission. So how do you do it? Like I said, take a product, make a review video for it, and put the link of the product, the affiliate link, in the description, and you're good to go over there. You can do it, like I said, with showing your face or without showing your face. Either way it works. And like I said, you're going to want to just put out good content, put out good value about that product, and go ahead and make a video for that. So best way to get free traffic is definitely YouTube. After that, let's go to social media with Instagram. Okay, Instagram is becoming one of the biggest platforms of social media right now. I feel like Instagram users, I know that there are more Instagram users than just about every platform besides maybe Facebook. So Instagram is definitely up there. How do you get free traffic to Instagram? You make Instagram pages, okay? So let's say you have a product, or even if you have sort of a brand, if you will, you will make a niche page around whatever your niche is. So let's say your niche is, for example, coffee and tea, if you will. You're going to make a page about coffee and tea, and you're going to post, daily sort of pictures on Instagram about the best coffee brands, about the best tea brands, and you're gonna put in the description of the Instagram page an affiliate link to a coffee that you might be promoting, to a tea that you might be promoting, okay? And that is a great way to utilize the free traffic resource from Instagram. All you have to do is make sure to include the hashtags in the description of your pages as well. But remember, don't spam people too much. Put out some good value photos of tea and coffee, and then once in a while, in one of the photos, make sure to go ahead and put your affiliate link in there. So Instagram, another great way to get free traffic. Number 3, let's move on to Twitter. A lot of people don't talk about Twitter, but I think it's a great way to go ahead and promote your affiliate offers for free. Twitter is a free platform, as we all know, and it's a similar concept to Instagram. You make a Twitter page around your niche, you tweet out some tweets about that niche. So take, for example, again, with tea and coffee, and tweet out interesting facts. Okay, these will take you no more than like 5 to 10 minutes of research. Just type it in on Google, look up some interesting tidbits about your niche, and your niche should actually be something you're interested in. So you shouldn't even have to research it if you know about your niche well enough. But in this example, let's just say you Google it, you post some tweets, about like 3, 4, 5 tweets every day, and then you can, bam, throw in your affiliate link in one of the tweets. So a great way to sort of get your product out there in front of eyes. And again, you can also use hashtags as well, like you do for Instagram. Another next great way to get free traffic, a lot of people don't know about this, is Quora. Quora is a website where you can ask questions, and I haven't done too much of this, but I know that this method has worked for a lot of people, is where they go ahead and you go on Quora, you answer a bunch of questions in your niche. So whatever people are looking for, again, in your niche, you go ahead and answer some questions, you build up some credibility, and then you go ahead and say, hey, you provide the answer, but if you're looking for more information, go ahead and check out blah, blah, blah. That's going to be your affiliate link. Throw it in there, okay? So that's how you do it. But again, build up credibility. The key with free traffic sources is you have to build up some sort of credibility before you can go ahead and throw your affiliate link, because if you just do it like that, you're spam, okay? So you want to be able to build up some sort of an audience and then go ahead and throw in your affiliate link in there. And then finally, at number 5, you cannot forget Facebook. Of course, you can make Facebook groups, you can make Facebook pages, and you can go ahead and make it around your niche. If you guys see the similarities here between all of the social media networks, it has a pattern, which is why I recommend you find your niche in affiliate marketing and you make one page on each of these social media networks, one on Twitter, one on Instagram, one on Facebook. Go ahead, make some value posts on those social media websites every single day, and then after you build up a decent amount of an audience, go ahead and promote your affiliate offers in there. Trust me, you're going to want to become sort of a SME, a subject matter expert in your niche before people trust you and are willing to sort of buy from your affiliate link. That is what you should do, and that is what I've done. It's worked pretty well for me. So Facebook, definitely in there. And one more I want to throw in is blogging. Now, I know a lot of people have mentioned this to me. Blogging definitely is a way to get free traffic, but this is probably the, I would say, least passive way, if you will. Okay, with blogging, it's not like you can just make a blog tomorrow and then post your links on there. Well, you can, but here's the thing, your blog is gonna have to have some sort of content. And for me to write a whole blog post, I mean, it would take me longer than it would take me to post a picture on Instagram or create a tweet on Twitter, okay? So for me, I'm still taking these other social media networks for blogging, but if you have something you can blog about, go right ahead, because that works well. You can use WordPress, you can use Wix, a bunch of different ways to easily create websites. There's so many different websites out there, so go ahead and do that for free traffic. And that is, to me, one of the best methods to go about it. So again, let's recap. YouTube, you have Twitter, you have Instagram, you have Facebook, you have Quora, and you have blogging. Now let's move on to sources of paid traffic. And again, I have said paid traffic is better than free traffic. So let's get into it again in no particular order. Actually, this first one is going to be in order. I'm going to be starting with the best way I feel like to get a paid traffic source and to utilize it. And a lot of people are going to expect me to say Facebook ads, but it is not Facebook ads, folks. It is solo ads. Now, what are solo ads? Solo ads are basically where you are buying clicks, buying traffic from a solo individual who is actively selling it. Now, how do you go about this? I had to learn it too. You go on Facebook and there are a bunch of different pages with solo ads. There are groups, really. You just go ahead and request to join in these groups, and you go ahead and you basically contact people that are selling these solo ads in that group. Now, a lot of these people will post testimonials about who is good and who is not. So go ahead, do your research, and go ahead and find somebody that you know has got good reviews that you can buy clicks from. And now what does this happen after that? After you find somebody, you go ahead and you contact them and you buy these clicks from them that will directly go ahead and send traffic to your landing page, to your page, whatever it may be, to your affiliate offer. Okay, so it's a great way to do it because it is so targeted, and that is the beauty of solo ads. Okay, now Facebook ads are obviously going to be my next sort of segment on the list of best sources of paid traffic, and Facebook ads work as well. But the reason I like solo ads more than Facebook ads is because of how targeted solo ads is. Now, a pro and a con here. Facebook ads you can run for just about anything, okay? There's so many users on Facebook, and for any niche that you are in, you can go ahead and run Facebook ads. With solo ads, I have seen that not all niches there are sellers for. Usually there's a bunch of big niches out there that, you know, usually those are the solo ad sellers focusing on. So if you are looking for something specific, and if your landing page is in a very specific niche like, you know, fishing or something, you might not find a solo ad seller for that niche. You could, I haven't searched it up, but go ahead and try. But I'm just saying that for solo ads, it's a little bit more specific. Facebook ads, you can just do it with anything. And basically we know that with Facebook ads, that is the reason why. Now, in terms of price here, for solo ads, they tend to be a little bit more expensive than Facebook ads. But again, you're getting more heavily targeted, more specific clicks to your page. So if you want, you can order 100 clicks. It'll cost you about 50, 60 bucks. For me, it was about 55. Depends on the seller. If you're getting charged a little bit more than that, I would be wary of it. Like I said, 50 to 60, maybe 70 for about 100 clicks. And it'll depend on what country you're in, where you want these clicks coming from, you know, so all of that. But go ahead and do your research. Facebook ads, you can spend as much as you want. Now, I would start out with about $5 a day. Do some testing, do some split testing, see what promos works, what doesn't. After that, go ahead and sort of increase the amount that you are spending in Facebook ad spending and go from there, okay? So again, to recap, solo ads I think are better than Facebook ads, but again, solo ads have their cons and their pros as well, and so do Facebook ads as well. So moving on, we have Google and Bing ads. Now these are search engine ads, so these are for people that are specifically looking for what your affiliate offer, what your affiliate product is. So this might get you a more specific results as well. Now with Google and Bing ads, I don't think they're as good as Facebook or solo ads, but again, it is all about optimization. So SEO really comes into play here. If you can really optimize the searches and go ahead and make a narrow focus on what your affiliate offer is, these could work for you. Again, I would do testing as well with both Google and Bing. Google, I believe, is 70% of the search engine. Bing is about the 30%. Don't quote me on that, but I think that is the case. So go ahead if you guys want to do Google and Bing ads. That's another great way to do paid traffic. Okay, moving on, we have YouTube ads. Now, YouTube ads, I would not recommend you do right off the bat. This is for pretty much when you're kind of well established into the game and you are really trying to market a heavily I would say expensive product, if you will. Because YouTube ads really, I mean, if you're directing somebody to your YouTube ad, it's really going to be something very key. It's not going to be a very low commission type of offer where you're making like what, $5 to like $10 per sale. So it's going to be when you're a little bit more established. So I'm going to save that till the end. Instagram ads, similar in that sense as well. Instagram ads, you're going to want to promote when you are a little bit more established, when you've got a little bit more following. Nobody really wants to go to a page that's running an ad that's got like what, 2, 3, 4, 10 followers. So both YouTube and Instagram ads I would be very, very careful with. You have to start off with these other resources, I believe, and then once you have built up an audience, then go ahead and run these other ones. So in recapping, I'm going with solo ads as the best source of paid traffic. Then I'm going Facebook ads, and then I would go Google and Bing ads. So there you have it, folks. 5 methods for both free and 5 methods for paid traffic for you guys for your affiliate marketing help. So hope that helps, and I hope you guys can utilize these sources. I know they have worked for me. I love solo ads. I've told you guys, if you guys have any more questions about how to get solo ads, how to find people for it, go ahead and reach out to me down below. Follow me on my social media. Go ahead and do all of that. But yeah, folks, traffic is key here. You're not going to be able to sell and make commissions on your affiliate offers if nobody's looking at them, okay? So make sure to focus on your traffic. And again, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.